What's going on, guys? Rising Charizard here, and well, I'm sorry I turned off the camera. That's why I put that as part 1. I couldn't do it all in one video. And I was hurting, so we're gonna go on a part 2. Well, we were at me plugging holes. Ah. So guys, don't dislike to that video, because I'm making a part 2. I'll even comment that. There might even be a part 3. I can't do everything. Okay, now I cut some holes, but it's still probably not going to work because, and then it still doesn't really become a squishy because, well, the stuffing's big enough, but it can't like stay on. Unless it's like this. It's a squishy if it's in a bag. I think I'm going to try, well, I'm not going to do a part 3. So, I think what I need to do now is take the pokeball out. Which is one of the hard parts. I can use this. Alright, we can't have any paper. See? Now it looks good. But now it doesn't have like the you still need something to make this squishy. I need to lock it in from this part. There. See now? But it's not like swirlizing or anything. But now if we put it in the bag, it's still not going to be slow rising. But what I know about is not all squishies are slow rising. That's just what makes them better. I mean, it's cool. It's already a squishy. It's just a squishy that can't be taken out. Okay, so I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, share. And I didn't mean to not turn off, and I didn't mean to turn off the camera, but still, remember to share, comment, subscribe, like. Bye!